Hello everyone. I wanted to show you my flip through of my June setup in my B6 TN. So this is a Matcha TN from Chic Sparrow, and I have a blank monthly insert from Handmade Mommy Plans, and I did some surgery from Coco Daisy's weekly kits. I did some surgery to get the monthlies in that. I really like how this turned out. And then the next section is from Printable Kate, her weekly, that you can fit the 1.5 inch stickers here, the to-do list. This is a new thing from Coco Daisy with the top of the weeks on there. I enjoy that very much. And then I tipped in on the next insert, I tipped in a small business plan B6 that I requested from DIY Fish. So that's a tip in. So I use that for my tracking my productivity at work and projects and make sure I get on all of that stuff. Tip in, and then there was no cover. This is from Printable Kate. This is a daily setup. So I used the weekly Coco Weeks day stickers from there, and then for the last section, it will be my next actions, to-dos, notes, things like that. And this is also a dot grid printable from Handmade Mommy Plans. And then, of course, my favorite pen, the Pilot Vanishing Point with the fine tip. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.